Hey guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So ladies, I feel the need to tell you about this sports bra from PUMA because it is far better than any bra I've ever bought for a number of reasons. First of all, it's very comfortable to wear. I like that it has a seamless design. The band below the padding is quite thick, so it doesn't cut off in an awkward spot. And the material itself is very soft, very breathable, but it does a great job of wicking away the moisture. Second of all, it offers great support. The pads inside are nice and thick, so they offer full coverage. You can wear a thin t-shirt over it, no problem. But if you don't like the padding, you can just remove them. It has a crossback design and the straps are adjustable. And I find the crossback design actually just helps to make things feel more secure. I like to wear this when I'm running or if I'm at home doing some type of jump exercises. Everything feels nice and tight to the body, but it's not too restrictive. Another thing I also appreciate is that it stays in good condition when you wash it. I found with some of my other sports bras that when I wash it, the pad somehow gets sort of displaced and then you have to try and fit it back in, but it's never quite the same. It kind of looks sort of ruffled and then you have a funky looking chest area. So this is the bra I always find myself reaching for, simply because the quality is way better than any of the other bras I own. I also have this in black and I'll probably get it in a few more colors. So if you're looking for a new sports bra to try out, give this one a shot. It will not let you down. Literally, it won't let you down. And that's my point of view.